Hey guys, Gus from G&G Mechanical. Just want to do a quick check-in, show you what we're working on today in beautiful Morristown, New Jersey. So we are repairing this 2-year-old ductless mini split made by Fujitsu. Customer reported it had a leak. The installing contractor would not come out and fix it again for them. So what we did is we came out, pressure tested, found the leak at one of the flared nuts on the system, repaired the flare nut, and pressure tested it to 500 psi. Now we're pulling a vacuum down to 250 microns. Then we'll charge it up with new R410A and we'll get it up and running. Yes, we do work on all types, makes, and models of ductless mini splits. Not only Bryant, but we do service Fujitsu, Mitsubishi, and the other ones out there. For all your heating and cooling needs, give us a call, 856-931-9231. Thanks, make it a great day.